That's my hip bone.
Where?
What do you have to say for the camera, guys?
Happy first day?
The best run
Good.
I've ever.
What's this camera for?
I'm documenting the year.
Oh, that's awesome.
Uh-huh.
That's fun. Yay, first day! Yeah!
Hi, Basil.
Hi, Mom. I'd like to pick my mom.
Johnny, they're not letting you tour? What? They're not letting you tour anyone?
I don't know. I wouldn't.
I'm just gonna walk around filming people. It's gonna be awesome the whole day.
Is that what your job is for the day?
Like glued to your hand.
Yeah. Well, I gotta tour someone, so it's gonna be awkward just doing that.
Hi!
Doesn't this shirt look good on him now? It's not that filthy orange crap.
You, Dan. Beth,
You look good in
gross.
Hi, head boy. How you doing?
So well. Wow.
Where's Giannis?
You know you can press the zoom button.
Yeah, I know. But have you ever seen Mr. Bean's Holiday? He goes around going like this to people. It's hilarious.